Alright, so in this particular video, I'm currently going to show you how to connect your wallet and also how to stay safe in this particular project right now, because you are going to notice what I noticed from this project is that they're trying to cut out a lot of people with just silly mistake and small mistake right here. So for you not to make that same mistake, this is what I'm going to be talking about in this particular video. So if you actually notice, you actually connected our Ton and Solana wallet right here before, and the update actually came up right now that we should connect again to the web right here. And you're going to notice like about 72 million kind of people actually register for this particular project, and when they got the balance, when the balance was stolen, about 20 only recover. 20 million people actually got to recover this balance also, and I think they're trying to still cut out a lot of people. I don't know. So this is why they brought out this particular update. So right now, what you need to notice is that you need to actually focus that it is actually the same wallet you connect to this. You can see this contract address. Just check it. Check the last four digits that actually four alphabets that actually end it, and for the Solana also check out the four alphabets. So I'm going to show you how to get that done right now. And what you need to do is to go to the web right here. So this is the website right here. We are going to click on it right now. So the first thing we're going to do right now is to go and check our website, our Keeper, and also the Solana wallet right here. So I'm going to go to my Keeper first right now. So currently on my Keeper, you can see this is the contract address right now. I can see the address I use is actually ending with QOA something for this particular one, and it's actually the same thing we have right here. Please make sure you check this is actually the same, because this is one of the reasons why I get to be cutting a lot of people off in this particular project. And you check for your Solana also. You click on it right here, and you click on your Solana, then you click on receive. Right, so when you click on receive, make sure it is actually the same right here. So this is also the same, because we know we can have a multiple accounts right there. So after you confirm that, then you click on website. So you select the web you want to use for this right here. So I'm going to click on the Chrome. I'm actually going to be using Chrome for this. So let's go ahead to verify this particular stuff right here. So it's actually going to load for you, right? So you can see all I need to do is to click on this. This is actually showing in red, so we have to allow this to not show red again. So click on this. So we are going to see connect to your Ton. Yes, so this must be tally. Then you click on your Ton Keeper. That's why I said you need to set it up again. You can see the Ton Keeper we are actually connected to is correct. Is the same one we put right here. Just click on connect right here. So wait before you go, because for you to connect on the Solana is actually kind of giving a lot of difficulty right here. So I'm going to come back to this, and this is actually going to load for me to see, and so that it can log in. So you can see automatically it's actually currently logging and it is successfully. But for the Solana, there is something you need to put into consideration right here. Just click on it, Solana, then Python wallet. Just go right there to click on it. Right, so then you click on connect right here. So after you connect, it's actually going to bring you back to this page right here, and it's actually going to show our steps. So if you actually wait for this is going to take a long time for you to connect. It might not even actually connect. So I need to do is to click on sign message right here. Just click on this sign message. So then it's going to go back to your Keeper. I mean your Solana. Then it's actually going to bring the confirmation that okay, this has to be connected to this wallet. Then you click on this right here, and this is going to bring you back to this page. And once it brings it back, once this particular red button goes off, you know it's currently connected successfully right here. So this is actually connected successfully. So you actually get this particular information useful, please give this video a thumb like, and also hit the subscribe button for you not to miss any update from this channel. Thanks so much for watching. See you next year.